So we're at the Sawdust Festival in Laguna Beach on August 24th. Right now I guess there's a band playing. They do this every day. And they're lovely parents.
We haven't been over here yet.
That's my beautiful husband. But this is what is going on. They don't like us taking videos because it's top secret, and they have a little bit of everything. Jewelry, art, they make all their own displays too. So what you see is what they build, which is crazy, but here's some glass blown art set up. And here's Drake Originals, which is jewelry on carpet. And here's some just, so this is what you get. It's very, very pleasant. My husband's interested in junk. And it's just so beautiful. Everyone's wanting to buy and people are wanting to make money, so that's about it. Otherwise, I can't take any more video, so say goodbye. Sorry it was short.